Let us continue this video. Next, go to design option. So in this design we have to use the steel code as IS 800. Here if you select the steel, it will be taken as IS 800. If you select here as concrete, here it will be directly selected as IS 456. These are standard codes. So here we use the steel trusses, that's why we are taking here as steel IS 800. First of all, go to select the parameters. In this I want to take Fy yield strength of steel. That's it, click on OK. Go to define parameters. Here taken it as click on OK, fixed value. Next go to commands. In this commands I want to take check code, group, member takeoff, click on OK, click on select, click on add, takeoff, click on edit, and this. Here we have to see there are different types of this. In this we have to assign step on, click on assign table, assign, click on yes. Again, if there is any question mark, we have to assign this property to this structure. Click on assign to view, click on assign, click on yes. Again click on assign, click on yes. Next select, click on assign to view, click on yes. Steel structure, click on assign to view, click on yes. So here all properties, all design commands are given to this structure. Here again we have to go to analysis and print option, go to analysis, no print option, click on edit and close it. Here go to analysis, run analysis, and again here save this and observe if there is any errors or not. Okay, again here we don't have any errors in any one. 0 errors, 0 errors. Okay, click on run it. So before that, in general, here we have to give error also for different types. Here these are assigned. In loads and definitions, we have to give load combinations also. If you want to give only loads, it will be okay. If you give load combinations also, go to load case details, click on edit. Here go to auto load combination. Here we have to give the loads. By using input, general structures field, generate load combination. Here select load combinations as not to the auto load combination. Here we have to take the different combinations. In this different combinations, first of all I want to give the dead load plus live load. Dead load plus wing load. Give the numbering as it's okay one. Okay, here again dead load plus live load plus dead load plus wing load plus 0.07 of live load. Okay. Now here all are taken, click on edit and click on close. Here all the load combinations are also taken here. It will be applied directly. Okay. After applying load combinations, again we have to analyze the design. Click on edit and click on close. Go to run analysis. It will be same. And here also observe if there is any error, so on. Okay, again we don't have any errors, but we have warnings, it's okay. Just go to them. Okay. So here also all are completed. If you want, you go to property again. These are additional options, it will be given or not, but basics are completed up to design. And if you want, you have to give the additional information, additional properties to this structure. Here go to beta angle. If you want beta angle, just create a beta angle as 0.85. Click on OK. You just select this and go to select option. Select the beams parallel to Z direction. For this, go to view option, view highlighted, view selected objects only. For this, I want to apply the beta angle. For all this, I want to view the beta angle. Assign to edit list, click on assign. Assign to it, click on assign. We have no changes to the structure. Okay. Like this, the beta angle will be applied to these nodes. Okay. For industrial, just go to whole structure will be visible like this. Next, here up to here the design will be completed along with extra properties, that means additional properties like beta angle and load combinations. And next we are going to foundation. In foundation include all, run start foundation, no reaction results not. Yes, this is about 15 minutes here. Then start foundation will be open like this. Here Go to generate load combination. So it will be Indian. Click on update table, generate load combination. The loads are generated. Here you can observe the loads are generated. Just click on OK. Click on OK and close it. Next, go to job setup, create new job. Here give the naming as Truss. Here give the Indian. Give as include all loads, create a job. Here, this is our next step, isolated puttings job. In this design parameter, we have to design this. Yes. Here the design progress will be reported. The structure will be designed. Foundation will be designed in this car foundation. So like this transformation will be taken, and up to here our steel trusses, industrial steel trusses will be completed. Thank you.